Today I will discuss about necessary sex organ or first sex organ, testis. Where testis is situated. Where testis is situated. This is abdominal part, this part is extra abdominal part, extra abdominal part by outside of abdomen, the testis is situated the outside of the abdomen. The testis is situated the outside of the abdomen in the small pouch like structures is called scrotum. The testis is situated a small pouch like structures is called scrotum, and testis is present the outer side of the abdomen. Because the outside of the abdomen the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, but abdomen temperature 37 degrees Celsius. The sperm is not produced in the body temperature. Body temperature रे sperm production होई परिबो नाही. So the testis is present outside of the abdomen in the pouch like structures is called scrotum. The testis is present in scrotum, otherwise called membranous pouch or otherwise called scrotal sac. The testis present the outer side of the body because the outer side temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. So 35 degrees Celsius रे sperm production हुए, sperm produced. Abdomen temperature 37 degrees Celsius, so सेठारे sperm production हुए नहीं. So the testis is present outside of the body. Then in a small boy before 7 months testis is present in the abdominal cavity, and no testosterone is formed. जितेबले गोटे बॉय को 7 मंथ हेतिबो टेस्टिस तार एब्डोमेन रो कैविटी भितर ही रहिथिबो, सेतेबले टेस्टोस्टेरोन फॉर्म्ड हुए नाही. आफ्टर 7 month testis fail to descend down to the outside of the abdomen into the scrotal sac. Scrotal sac. This process is called cryptorchidism. So before 7 months, testis is present in the abdominal cavity in the small bone. 7 month रे testis abdominal भितर थाए जाफल कि टेस्टोस्टेरोन फॉर्मड होई पारे नाही. After 7 month testis is failed to descend down to the outside of the abdominal into the scrotal sac. This process is called cryptorchidism. After when the testis descend down into the scrotal sac, when testis is descend down to scrotal sac, then the testosterone is secreted. If testis not fell into down, then if testis not fell into the down, then infertility testis, then it convert infertility testis. Infertility testis रे गोटे डिजीज हुए named hyperthermia. In case of hyperthermia, when testis not fall into down, then it converted into infertility testis. When the testis converted into infertility testis, then the disease occur is called hyperthermia, because the temperatures increases and the sperm not produced. So after 7 months, testis is descend down into the scrotal sac. This process is called cryptorchidism. If the testis not fell into down, then the infertility of testis occur. Then the disease is called hyperthermia, because the temperature increases, the sperm not produced. This disease is called hyperthermia. Now I will discuss the internal structure of testis. The testis is present the outside of the abdomen and present in a membranous pouch. This is called scrotal sac. Then the LS of testis, longitudinal section of testis. This is the abdominal part. This is the extra abdominal part. The testis is present the extra abdominal parts. Then this is the internal structure of testis. This part is the outer covering that is called tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis. The outer covering of the testis is called tunica vaginalis. The middle green part The middle green part of the testis is called tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. Next, the inner part of the inner red part of the testis, the inner layer of the testis is called tunica vascularis. This is the inner part of the layer, tunica vascularis. The middle part of the layer, the middle part is called the tunica albuginea. The outer part of the testis is called tunica vaginalis. Then each testis contain 250 lobe. Each testis contain 250 lobe called testicular lobule. Testicular lobule. Each testis, the two testes present, that each testis contain 250, that is 250. Total 500 testicular lobule present. But each testis contain 250 lobes, that is called testicular lobule. Then each testicular lobule present 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule. 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule present in the each testicular lobule. Each testicular lobule contain 2 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Then the in the part of the seminiferous tubule, the sperm is produced. Because in seminiferous tubule the germinal epithelium cell are present. Here is present the germinal epithelial cell. Germinal epithelial cell is present in seminiferous tubule, so the sperm is produced in the seminiferous tubule. Then the seminiferous tubule open into a structures. This is called rete testis. Then the seminiferous tubules or testicular lobule open into a structure. This is called rete testis, where the sperm is stored. Where the sperm is stored. Then the rete testis open a green tubes. Then the rete testis open into a small tubes. This is called vas efferentia. Then the vas efferentia open into a part. This is called epididymis. This is called epididymis. Then the epididymis, where the sperm is movable. ଯେଉଁଠାରେ କି एपिडिडाइमिस रे स्पर्म टा मूवेबल होई थाए बट स्टोर होई थाए रेटे टेस्टिस रे. Then the first part of the epididymis is called cowfoot. The first part of the epididymis is called cowfoot. Then the middle part of the epididymis is called corpus. Then the last part of the epididymis is called cauda. Then the cauda open into a tubes. This is called vas deferens. Then the vas deferens through inguinal canal. Then the vas deferens through inguinal canal enter into the abdominal part. The first thing, the sperm is produced in the seminiferous tubule. Each testis contain 250 lobes, that is called testicular lobule. Testicular lobule भितर रही seminiferous tubule. 2 ରୁ 3टा seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule भितर ही sperm production होई थाए कहीं ना सेठारे germinal epithelium cell present थाए. Sperm produce seminiferous tubule होई थाए. Then सेमाने आसिकरी गोटे जगह रे टेस्टिस रो गोटे जगह रे स्टोर होइक रहंती जहाँ को आमे कहूचे रेटे टेस्टिस, where the sperm is produced. Then rete testis open into a small tubes is called vasa efferentia. Then the vasa efferentia open into a part, this is called epididymis. The first part of the epididymis is called cowfoot. The middle part is corpus and the lower part is called cauda. Then in the part of the cauda, then the sperm open into a tube. The sperm go through a tube. This is called vas deferens. Then the vas deferens through inguinal canal to enter into the abdominal part. This is the seminiferous testicular lobule. भीतर अच्छी seminiferous tubule open होइछि testicular lobule open होइछि rete testis open होइछि vasa efferentia open होइछि epididymis open होइछि vas deferens. Then vas deferens through inguinal canal open होइछि abdominal part को sperm. Then the vas deferens is otherwise called, then the vas deferens called sperm duct. Then the pathway of sperm formation. The pathway of sperm production. First, seminiferous tubule भितरे seminiferous tubules भितरे produce होला किए sperm. Then the sperm go into the rete testis. जो जेउठारे कि रेटे टेस्टिस ठारे स्पर्मटा जाई स्टोर हैला देन रेटे टेस्टिस ओपन हेची भास इफरेंशिया भाषा इफरेंशिया देन भाषा इफरेंशिया रो आसिला एपिडिडाइमिस रो आसिला भास डिफरेंस देन भास डिफरेंस रू गला abdominal part through inguinal canal. This is the all about the pathway of sperm production. First seminiferous tubule भितरे sperm production हला देन आसिला रेटे टेस्टिस को रेटे टेस्टिस रु भास इफरेंशिया को भास डिफरेंशिया रू एपिडिडाइमिस को एपिडिडाइमिस रू भास डिफरेंस रू एब्डोमिनल पार्ट को आसिला थ्रू इंग्यूनल कैनाल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पाथवे ऑफ स्पर्म प्रोडक्शंस. सो द भास डिफरेंस स्पर्म को एब्डोमिनल पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा एब्डोमिनल पार्ट रू एब्डोमिनल पार्ट को नौथिबारु सेथिबाई भास डिफरेंस को कहंती स्पर्म डक्ट. The vas deferens is otherwise called sperm duct. This is all about the internal structure of testis or longitudinal section of testis. But each testis contain 250 lobe. This part contain 250 lobe. This part contain 250 lobe. Total 500 lobe present in one male body.